Good morning, children. Class 10. Let us continue trigonometric ratios. Today we will discuss how we are getting trigonometric ratios of angle 45 degree. Here I have drawn a right triangle in which angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 90 degree, and it is a right triangle. Here you know that in triangle, angle A plus B plus C is 180 degree because by angle sum property of a triangle. Angle A is 45 degree, angle B is 90 degree, and let us find out angle C. By adding both of them, we are getting 135 degree, and shifting 135 on the other side, it will become 45 degree. Angle C is 45, angle A is 45, means both angles are equal. And side opposite to angle A is BC, and side opposite to angle C is AB. As we know that in a triangle, if two angles are equal, then sides opposite to equal angles of a triangle are also equal. That's why BC and AB are equal. Now, in this right triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what we can write, you can see hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. We are taking here AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. As we know, both sides are equal. That's why let us choose the side is A. Therefore, similarly, it will be also A. And therefore, AB is A, but AB square means A square. BC square, A square. A square plus A square will become 2A square. Let us take square root on both the sides. It will become AC is root 2A. Now, we have all the three sides of this triangle. It is root 2A. And now, we have to find out sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree, 45 degree, if we are taking this angle, then this will become perpendicular. It will become base and it will be hypotenuse. Therefore, sine 45 will be BC upon AC, and BCA, it is root 2A, AA cancel. Therefore, it will become 1 by root 2. This is called value of sine 45. And now cos 45, similarly cos 45, cos 45 is base upon hypotenuse. This is AB upon AC. Again, AB is A and it is root 2A. Therefore, again we are getting 1 by root. Tan 45 degree is P upon B. P is BC and this is AB. And this is both values are AA. By cancelling it, we are getting 1. Tan 45 is 1. You know in the table, trigonometric table, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and tan 45 is 1. And you know other three trigonometric ratios, they are cosec 45, secant 45, and cot 45, which are reciprocal of all the three. And you can see here, all three, cosec 45 is 1 upon sine 45, which is root 2, reciprocal of sine 45. Similarly, sec 45 is reciprocal of cos 45, and cot 45 is reciprocal of tan 45, which is 1. Now we have all six trigonometric ratios related to angle 45 degree. Similarly, we can find out trigonometric ratio of 30 degree and 60 degree. For this, we have drawn a triangle, which is equilateral triangle, and all sides we are taking 2A. This is 2A, this is 2A, and this is 2A. Here we have drawn a altitude from A to BC. That is, these two angles are 90 degree. And this angle is 60 because in equilateral triangle, all angles are 60 degree, it is also 60. Now, you can see as angle A, angle B, angle C is 60, and we have drawn a perpendicular. Therefore, these two triangles are, we are proving they are congruent triangles. How they are congruent? As we know, AD common and AB equal to AC because sides of equilateral triangle are equal. Therefore, and this angle is 90 degree. By RHS congruency, both triangles are congruent. As triangles are congruent, therefore corresponding sides are equal. That's why BD equal to CD. And BD equal to CD means BD and CD are half of BC. This we have written. As we know, this is 2A, it means it will be A, it will be A. And similarly, if this angle is 60 degree, therefore half of this angle is 30 degree. Means in this triangle, now we have it is 60, it is 30, it is A, and it is 2A. By Pythagoras theorem, we can find out AD. So we have applied Pythagoras theorem. You can see in this right triangle, AD square plus BD square equal to AB square, and what we are doing, BD square is shifted on the other side, AB is 2A, 2A square is 4A square, BD is A square, 4A square minus A square will become 3A square. You can see here, and by taking square root on both the sides, we are getting root 3A, that is AD. Now we have to find out sine 30, cos 30 and other trigonometric ratios with angle 30 degree. So how to find out? You can see in this triangle, this is 30-degree angle, and side opposite to this angle will be P perpendicular, which is A, and side adjacent to this is B, which is root 3A. We just got it, and it is 2A. Means all of them we have now perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse. By using it, we are finding all these trigonometric ratios. Sine 30 is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means by substituting the value, we are getting 1 by 2, and similarly cos 30. This is base upon hypotenuse, we are getting root 3 by 2, and similarly tan 30, this is perpendicular upon base, which is 1 by root 3, and cosec 30, secant 30, and cot 30 are reciprocal of these three, and we are getting all the values of trigonometric ratios with angle 30 degree. Similarly, if we want to find out trigonometric ratios of angle 60 degree, it means whenever we are taking angle 60, it means side opposite to this is perpendicular, it is base, and it is hypotenuse. So by using it, we can find out all these trigonometric ratios, as you can see here. This you can find out yourself, and you can see calculations from this side. Now, what we can do, we can find out trigonometric ratios of angle 0 and 90 degree. If you want to find out T ratios of 0 degree in this right triangle, angle B we are taking 90 degree, angle A is an acute angle, and if angle A approaches to 0, means if this angle will become closer to 0, means this side will become like this, and it will become approximately equal to AB. Means AC become almost equal to AB, and BC vanishes, means BC will become 0. And if you want to find out sine 0 degree means this angle, as it will become 0 degree, it means it will become perpendicular, it will become base, and it will become hypotenuse. So by using it, we are finding sine 0, cos 0, tan 0, cosec 0, secant 0, and cot 0. So you can see here, sine 0 degree is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is 0 upon AC, 0 upon any number is 0. And cos 0 degree is AB upon AC, that is base upon hypotenuse. As we know, AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC, therefore AC cancel, and it is 1. And tan 0 degree is BC upon AB, and BC is 0, 0 upon AB equal to 0. And cosec 0 is reciprocal of sine, secant 0 is reciprocal of cos, and cot 0 is reciprocal of tan. Similarly, we are finding all these things. On the basis of it, we can find out T ratios of trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. This you can see, you can read from this article, and the same process we followed as we have done in 0 degree. Thank you so much, and try yourself.